All set, ready to race number 5. And race on. Kaligatan blasting out of the gate, moving up by the Reds Gun with the win, and Mayumi moving up Danori inside is the favorite. Supercharged alongside his Final Impact, rushing up is My Hermes 9. Westerner, Kaligatan, followed by Gun with the win in second. Charge is running by the Final Impact. Mayumi racing in fifth alongside, rushing up is My Hermes. Emergency Call racing in seventh position, rushing up Top Spin. Westerner, War Alert, and rounding the far turn. Now the course of the wind has been altered, with the outstanding favorite grabs the lead, and this one is Supercharged, Gun with the win. Mayumi on the further outside, My Hermes Top Spin as they race the last 400. Supercharged by linking up. Mayumi is running in second, moving up by the Emergency Call on the outside is Top Spin. Supercharged, Mayumi on the outside, and nearing the finish line. Supercharged, Mayumi, Top Spin, Emergency Call, My Hermes.